Bertani Bikin Menikah Sara. Nah, sama tu maya na VTFM Facebook page, patalaki na VTFM YouTube channel, kaya na VTFM TikTok page talaga. Orang ada double tap mai. Mata ka venaka niko. Hey, welcome back, boy.
Thank you very much. We welcome you to the outfollowing this morning.
Okay.
Good morning to everyone. It's a last day. We have to shake hand to everybody now because we are in the end of the year now. The last day because we are seen this year from left behind before in the January. Now we are here to finish. Some of us they are unlucky. They are unfortunate because they are not here with us. They left us early through the year. But we are thanksgiving that we hear somebody laugh. Hear somebody sneeze. Hear somebody welcome you. See someone coming. That's how we grow in our lives. Let the lives of us is very short. Be careful of your lives. Be careful of your connection. Be careful of how you talk to somebody. Make them happy. Never take them downwards and underestimate them. Never.
Don't worry. We keep looking at some of our loved ones have departed this morning to the next life.
Some yesterday.
Some yesterday. So ngono sarangango. Sa through making na tugu nilenga. Sa nanon to momoya at kumilo toka ngandi na koro lesing suite na koro. Kim kindala sa ronga bagita mani sa kadivi no nambula gay bagay durcho na soga na muni mga sa kuchika na vika dan nasota kay na singa todo sa kanga bimbi menda na maruta ka na non nambula ti ko na ngonongo
dor kay so it on the Facebook yesterday that all of us in this world we are making one big straight line. We are making one big straight line.
Straight line.
We are in that line.
We are in all of us. We are in that line. But we don't know which number are we.
Okay.
So in that straight line, we are going somewhere. And that's our final destination.
Don't worry, we keep on kanda ya itu kanda. Siguro ko rete ko nimbula. Marutaka kunya ba lusito no mongone ndora ka singto na betena.
And one dotangan itu nimbula one of the last puff. Here in the bus stand.
Last puff na peace pipe.
What you think? Here is KJ53.
What happened?
The backward is coming down.
What the backward?
Na taimuri.
Oh, the panza.
The panza is coming down.
Okay.
Somebody is at the back.
You go and pump.
Jor Kumar is there too. Mulai Jor Kumar to Winnie Naiveli and also to Cage Vedri by Turang Tau Skelly. Not forgetting the one and only bus checker. The bets of the bus stand.
The bachelor.
The bachelor of the bus stand. Sunny boy. Bentar bula minaka.
Bus, all the drivers and all the passengers. All the passengers out there. Sitting this morning wherever you are.
We are.
Mana Western Division. Niandra di mata pinaka mana buli kuno tapunua bikimena sa kuasa voli. Bikimena na borong cuma na betu ni anu na be asay burubura. Loma ni bonua. Doro pinaka. Nanronga na bosa. Ito na kata na dolo ki na itasiri. Doyan ramaleka na yucho chini singa. Na kete ni singa. Na intebu ni singa. Ibu ni singa. Ay mga ni singa ni ron doloros ng bulga pa.
Dema you enjoy your live.
Oh, very good. It's a very good live. I'm happy enough to be part of the live. Thank you to the live master for allowing me to go.
He had with Momo. His Momo.
Okay.
He had.
Hag men rakusi. Pula na to Tadinaliki and also to Kasetsona from Lolombu. This morning and not forgetting to Tabale Patemosi Tamelendua and also to the people for working for Nasinu Correction Center to Tamelendua Patemosi. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Bernard Sare. Tuning all the way from America. Sir, thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Era taun ta kunin nonta bonua. Na babalangi era doten tu beka di pagaro di pagatawa si misan ngori. Ori na pana na lisuma na nonta bonua. So beke mi sangu chuko mai. Bisa kana chuko na wanga bukango musabu ka kina. Orai, ori nta chuko no sure beti suko na first bus.
O chama kay delay tal.
Delay mari sige sala.
Ori ta kuno beti mai pertania nimbul benaka. Kebre lebih garam itu yang beta maki era tokla lomi ki burbura. Keto sa pakang bulutsika ni na matali kwa.
I will spend your New Year's.
Tonight I'll spend the new year here because I'll do the countdown.
Okay, and tomorrow,
tomorrow never comes.
Ya, bagaimana kata kita udah kan ko ni ochingango the kalau kita suka.
Right.
The clock will knock off and we'll wait at 2 p.m.
Right.
And we'll start the top 100 songs for 2024.
Right.
From 2 p.m. today till midnight tonight.
So, Bay of Plenty nan rala gurmone akan isimelan niya.
A story.
Oh, this is a story about a woman who was being far away from the family. Mula binaka ilimaina adimbula. Oh, she said mother no muay.
Oh,
this is a season. Season of watering.
Oh, yeah.
Season of wetness.
Wait for tonight. Till midnight, then we do the watering.
After this, we watering.
Watering me like a And from there, grandma was far apart. During the COVID-19, she was planning to come to Fiji.
Okay.
Grandpa home. In Fiji.
Okay.
She wants to see grandpa.
Okay.
Right.
The missing system is through the DNA.
Oh, okay.
So whenever he was planning to come, the COVID-19 trespass.
Oh, trespass, right.
When the COVID-19 trespass,
cross the border.
The wall itself stopped the movement from one place to another.
Right.
So she stayed back.
Okay.
2 years again, she stayed back.
America.
We have to cancel all the plans.
USA.
They cancel all the flight attendants.
Okay.
So they stay back. Grandpa was there at home. Was looking forward because a long time they was separation. They come and see them, and they was looking forward for the duty free.
Okay. Too much grog in the village.
So when the time grandma after the COVID-19, grandma was planning to come back.
Okay.
She missed grandpa. She missed
hug.
No hug. Grandpa missed the hug. Grandma missed the grandchildren. Missed the children, the Lubena. So grandpa was asking when drinking grog. The high chance of alive his wife.
You know, my katakatuna kakana. So grandpa is missing that part.
Yes.
Silly.
So when grandpa was at home, grandma arrived.
After the COVID-19.
After the COVID-19.
The first flight.
Grandma was there telling the children that she will arrive in Fiji.
Okay.
Grandpa was doing one surprise because the only thing that he trapped grandma is a pig. He is expert.
He is a pigger.
He is an expert pigger. Turangan daw mga sasado. He never come empty-handed. He comes with a pig. Full. He's a fuller.
One pig here.
One pig at the back. One pig in front. No, he was full of pigger.
He's a pig meat.
He a pig meat. So when Papa Grandpa there, he was to come home.
Right.
You know, he drink grog because he knew the
duty free.
The duty free will be there, and the Agnes. She wants to
the love.
Because that will be the different Agnes because of the long time Agnes.
COVID-19. After COVID-19, everybody stay home, never do anything.
So she was away for years.
Away for years,
and
she was, in the mind. I want them now.
Okay.
So Tabale came grog of bone. They grogging.
Okay.
So when they grogging, the grandma, they love their children.
They miss each other.
They miss their grandchild. But grandpa before going to grog, he prepared the bed well.
The bed? In the room?
6-inch nail. On the bed. Baru tayo tungan ng damdam, balik kain sa atin dalawa kamayan, tumay Robia, may bitala no, they want to talkative.
Kaya duty free? Abi, bulahan na ka.
Then grandma away. He wants to hug the grandchild. So they sleep together in the living room.
Okay.
Arto maybe mga makutsingani, arto sinikala ni Sarli lutsar luto mo, arto man mo luto.
They chocolate each other. Arto kana chocolate wasi.
First night.
This is first night, When the children
Gimana gimana itu like sister.
long flight, and the chocolate they gave, and the grandpa too coming again from the grog, coming from grog need the chocolate.
Well, he stepped. Okay, and Romai.
Tapi look for him. I want to go in peace. Come again like this. He leave the flip flop because he knew the new flip flop will come. Saray mo papa when look inside the living room. Saray mo naman ibang. Saoso. He push the door like this.
The traffic there.
Somebody.
Somebody select there.
Somebody select. Ganun mo kan yung kata na katukilo mo.
Open the door.
When you open the door, everybody sleeping there. The grandchild, the children.
He look at one.
Two.
After another.
He looking.
Hey, namaku.
He wants a gap. He check in the room. He check in the room.
Grandma
still empty and fresh.
Find out.
Grandma to in the living room.
Living room. He come back in the living room.
He come into the roll call.
Wrong call. 1, 2, looking.
Small body.
Small body. He looking for the big body and for the new body. When he look like this, he look on the left. He see the middle of them. Grandma. Grandma. The face downward. Oi. The bottom with you.
Oi.
Other.
Sinikila ako say who is where?
Who is where?
Odingo
Yeah.
He wake somebody wrongly. Going to na bungon wati no na nalugan.
What you remember?
The first mistake.
Mistake ya. Sa ko to na yang kono gala ko matu. Bang ti bang ko en Richard to na kola. Who told you to come here? You are not allowed. Your day is a second day. My day is a first day. No, I want chocolate. Take a chocolate outside. Remo ko sa kay kerkero ka. Awa, Merlita, sinabi na.
Awa ka na din, bang.
Awa na din. Awa.
Ano kede?
Awa, ano kede? Nito mo talma binaka. Tinabi na. Dala mo na mo dikina. Wala ni lomaya.
Wagaragep ni tamo ko rin. Grandma, the room is empty. Go there.
The pig wants the piglet.
Hey, we never like punches.
Hey, this is the last show. The last show.
We love you all. Happy New Year.
Hey, ya benar, bikimrin no kada sora kaba na tu bikimrin angkase, bikimrin tu kaningone.
Din sar.
Do mama to chiki bikimrin ya.
Iyo.
Kira-kira ni ko mo marutang mantangan apa tawasi.
Tam.
Saling ngundang ko na lewel sartuyani.
Gori.
Lewel sartuyani.
Relax mo nga. Warak mo nga.
Takal mo mo may pakan rechina po mo mutu. O chilubem.
Ni ko sa suwa nga sa kailangan sa suwa ibali.
Hindi na sar.
Iyo, karon na mo sila kita mo.
Ya kita sama orang dibina kami kanin ko. Kita mo tadi singaw sa lang dikuha.
Di sara.
Laban dito sa akin imber ni pangananta ko muni ngole. Kita sama kan dibina kanin na maru tagiti ko na pagkatawasi. Ay na yung baking ko.
Right.
Ko na bisu bakaliya, ko na bisu bernan reba na pabunan tonga.
Hindi na sar. Dono.
Ka na bisu na rabusa ka ko na bisu na koran ni new. So nakabayan to babu to na mila.
Iyo.
So bayar babu to na lang ni mata.
Dono na ka.
Dangang karauni nda maruta to na sinisudu kila to sini ambaki.
Dono.
Panu ni bina. Ber na maruto nang ko.
Right.
Nambo sarong ngoda tu.
Oy,
Dakay mbito. Ni urongo na dakay mbito baka sa matek ko sarangan boy doro may makoy.
Maru chikan bola, me tapo na ngaunan tanang gay pero ngon tom talakina. Nanda outs palang show katarapa. Go kurmundu.
Mika galon bola.